Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Thank you very much for doing that and supporting the channel. Okay, today a little bit of simple regex. So we're going to import the RE module, which is the regex module. We're going to create a text list here. And it's going to be empty, and then we're going to create a subroutine. Subroutine is going to be called, it's not a subroutine, sorry, I'm not in Perl now. It's a function, sorry about that, I'm not in Perl. Search word. Okay, so we're going to create a function to search for a word, and we're going to print a message to the user saying enter text. Okay, so that's the message to the user, and then we're going to create entry 1, which is going to be equal to input. This will get the user input, and it's going to be enter a sentence. In fact, let's go down here. So the user types in a sentence, and we're going to append that text.append entry 1. So when the user types in the sentence, it's going to be appended or saved in this list up here. Okay, and then we're going to print search text here. So we're going to search the text or the sentence that we've just entered, which has been appended into this text list up above. So we're going to do entry 2 is equal to input. And that's just going to say simply, I don't know, enter a word. So enter a word that you want to search for that you think might be in the text box above in the sentence that we've just inputted. Okay, so now I'm going to create a variable called matches, and that's going to be equal to regedit.findall here. So I'm going to put entry 2 that we just entered, and then I'm just going to do a dot join and text. Okay, so now we're going to come down onto the conditional. So if matches, if what we've typed into this text box matches, print word found here, and that's going to be matches. Else, if we didn't find anything, we have to tell the user print word not found. Okay, now all we have to do is we have to call this, and we call it by its name, which is search word, so we can run it, save it, and let's try it out, shall we? So let's run it here. Okay, the enter text there is a bit redundant. I shouldn't have put that in, never mind. Okay, so let's type in a sentence. So this is a short sentence. Hit enter, and it will have stored it in the text box there. And I want to search for a word in here, so I'm going to search for short to see if we can find it in that string. Yeah, word found short. Let's try this again. In fact, let's just add search word here. Search word so we don't have to keep restarting the program. Let's just save that there. Let's just run it. Okay, so let's have a look. Enter a sentence. This is a new sentence. Okay, hit enter. It's been stored now. I want to search a word. I'm going to search the word this. Okay, word found this. Enter a sentence that's this is good. Okay, so that's a new sentence. Let's search for a word that's not actually in here and see what happens. It should pass us to this else statement here. Okay, type ball in. Word not found. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. Hope you enjoyed that. And before we go, if you've not done so already, make sure you hit the subscribe button and support the channel. And as always, thank you very much for getting this far in the video. I appreciate you. I appreciate your views. I appreciate your likes, and I appreciate your subscriptions. And I will see you in another video. Bye-bye.